Bagi sebagian orang Barat, terutama di Eropa, kata Muslim seringkali menimbulkan bayangan yang keliru. Ada yang menganggap Muslim itu keras, fanatik, bahkan tidak toleran. Tak hanya dunia Islam di Timur Tengah yang menjadi sasaran framing jahat media, umat Muslim Indonesia pun kerap ikut terkena imbasnya. Di media internasional, Indonesia kadang digambarkan sebagai negara miskin, terbelakang, dan jauh dari perdamaian. Tapi ketika datang langsung ke Indonesia, banyak bule dibuat kagum dengan sifat ramah dan terbuka orang Indonesia.
Okay, so we have entered the mosque area. And I think the prayer is going on right now. It's really beautiful.
It could have been like a...
Sini. Ayo, makasih. Mama dari Jawa Timur. Thank you. Makasih. Aku dorong aku. My name is Melanie. Your name?
Nama siapa?
My name Rosie. Nama Rosie.
Hi. California. LA. Oh, San Francisco.
Oh, they're from Jakarta.
From Jakarta.
Yeah, my first time.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Me happy too.
Tapi ini, are you Europe?
Asian.
Asia.
We came from Bali.
Oh,
I'm from Bali.
baik.
Iya. Senang aja Bu kalau ketemu saya mah. It's okay.
Melanie. Rosie.
Ketika berkunjung ke negara Muslim tentu muncul kekhawatiran. Tapi apa yang dirasakan bule tersebut justru malah sangat jauh berbeda. Ia merasakan betapa hangatnya perilaku orang Indonesia terhadap orang asing, meskipun tidak seagama, dan hal ini adalah hal yang sangat luar biasa bagi bule. Lebih dari itu, jika dibandingkan dengan banyak negara lain, kebaikan Muslim Indonesia bisa dibilang gak ada obatnya. Orang Indonesia gak cuman ramah secara kata-kata, tapi juga lewat tindakan nyata. Kita tahu, di Indonesia banyak sekali program-program amal internasional yang menyalurkan bantuan kepada orang-orang yang sedang membutuhkan, dan itu tidak hanya kepada Muslim saja, tapi kepada non-Muslim sekalipun.
Indonesian Muslim community, shukran, thank you so much for the beautiful food.
Thank you, Indonesian Muslim community. God bless you, I love yous, thank you.
Tentu, hal-hal seperti ini bikin banyak bule Eropa terguncang, karena apa yang mereka lihat selama ini sangat berbeda jauh dengan aslinya. Karakter orang Indonesia begitu berbeda. Keramahannya, kebaikannya, semua terasa sangat luar biasa. Berkat interaksi mereka dengan umat Muslim Indonesia, banyak bule akhirnya sadar bahwa Islam bukan sekadar agama, tapi juga ajaran tentang adab dan moralitas tinggi. Dan gak jarang banyak bule yang akhirnya mengerti dan sadar tentang bagaimana menjaga adab dan cara berperilaku yang benar. Bahkan lebih dari itu, ada juga bule yang akhirnya memeluk Islam karena sifat Muslim Indonesia.
Okay, I think it's time for a little public service announcement because I've actually had enough people now come up and say hello and say they recognize me from TikTok in the surf. So this feels like a good platform to try and educate people so that people can be more aware. If you are coming to Lombok, please note, this is a Muslim country and it is incredibly disrespectful if you are rolling around the streets and riding on your scooter on the highway and through the villages for girls in a bikini, or for guys if you're riding around shirtless. I'm starting to put up some signs and I have made it kind of a personal mission to try and tell people when I see it in as nice a way as possible. And I get it because for most people it's just ignorance. They come from Bali, they've spent time there, they come here and they think same. It's not. It's really disrespectful. So cover up when you're on the road, on the street, if you get out of the surf. Wear your bikini on the beach, that's fine. But when you're through the villages and absolutely when you're riding on the road, put some clothes on. Also just for your own safety. I don't know what people are thinking, to be honest. We are visitors in this country and I just think it is so important to be conscious of respecting local culture. There are so many places you can buy a sarong. I always have one with me. I always wrap it around me when I'm coming back from the surf. It's not hard. If you didn't know, now you know. And if you did know and chose to ignore it, please do better.
It's just so important to be kind and show the truth of Islam to our non-Muslim brothers and sisters. I remember I've told the story quite a lot, but I went to Indonesia before I became Muslim, and I went to the largest mosque there, the Istiqlal Mosque, and the way that I was treated inside that mosque, subhanAllah, that was a real turning point for me in my journey towards Islam and towards becoming Muslim. And the people that I met there that day probably don't even realize the impact they had on my journey, subhanAllah. I would love one day to be able to go back there and to see these people that helped me when I was doing my research.
Apa yang ditunjukkan oleh Muslim Indonesia telah mengguncang pandangan dunia. Bayangan Islam keras kini perlahan memudar. Bule-bule yang dulu takut kini justru merasa nyaman. Inilah wajah Islam yang sesungguhnya. Islam yang penuh kasih, damai, dan menghargai perbedaan. Dan semua itu dipraktikkan dengan luar biasa oleh umat Muslim Indonesia.